Activate iTero user connectivity. iTero intraoral scanners are now fully integrated into the Zimmer Biomet dental digital workflow. The iTero connectivity function allow you, the dental lab, to receive scanned data from your iTero user clinicians directly into Manager 2.0. This new function simplifies project management and communication between you and your clinicians. To get started, go to the website zfxdental.com. Choose Dental Technician. Click on Menu, located on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. In the menu field, scroll down to Digital Workflow and choose the iTero user connectivity. You will be redirected to a page that will help guide you through the onboarding process. In order to create the direct-to-lab connectivity, you must first register your lab by creating an account. Once your account is activated, your lab will be listed in the iTero intraoral scanner software, where a clinician can select you as their preferred lab partner. Now log in with your credentials. There are two ways to connect with your iTero user clinician within the Zimmer Biomet digital workflow. 1. If you have an existing iTero account, you can switch to the Zimmer Biomet workflow by selecting I have an iTero account. Enter your username and password that you use to register with Align and click Next. Or the second possibility, if you do not have an existing iTero account, select I need a new account. Upon selecting I need a new account, your account information will be verified, and you will receive an email confirming that your account has been activated. Activation may take up to 24 hours. Once your account has been activated, you will be able to participate in the Zimmer Biomet digital workflow, and your lab will now be visible for selection by the iTero clinician. You will be able to see the connected iTero account in the Business Partners section of the ZB portal. Once the iTero account is activated, you will be able to view and receive scanned data from your iTero clinician directly into your Manager 2.0. Share the Connect My iTero with My Lab Partner tutorial with your iTero user clinicians for instructions to find your lab in their iTero system. Thanks for choosing us. Your ZFX team.